So I'm just gonna make a quick video today on how I built this sliding deck gate. After everything, I think it was right around $60. This piece here, it was $34 at Lowe's. The latch was $6, I believe. Got it at Lowe's as well. 2 by 8 by 8 foot, and then two 2x4 by 8s. The only thing I added was this 2x4 here, so the latch would work. I 45'd the top and bottom piece here, and then put a piece in so I can attach the latch. I added 2 by 8 right here and a 2x4 on the side so it can slide through nice and easy. And then I split a 2x4 in half for the runner down here on the bottom, and then a 4x4 on the inside, just because that's what I had laying around. But you could use the other half of the 2x4 that you split and put it on the inside if you desire. Other than that, I mean, it's really not that hard. Works nice, no casters, slides easy. Hope this helps you guys out.